Hello, Jeff. This is Steve Douglas, the Internet Manager here at Pacific Auto Center. You had inquired online about a Ford truck, and we sold that truck. So I wanted to shoot this video to show you some of the other inventory we had in stock. We specialize in gas and diesel trucks. We have anywhere from 250 to 300 on the lot at any one time. We have more trucks than anybody else in California, so come on out. I know we have your next truck here at Pacific Auto Center in Fontana. 909-429-1100. Give us a call, and we'd love to earn your business.